This is a GCS News Break.
Students, athletes, and administrators at Eastern Guilford High School are amazed and excited at what they see. The school's weight room got a complete renovation, thanks to a lot of volunteers.
I let out a little yell and started clapping. It's just exciting to see what we had compared to what we have now. Overwhelmed.
The weight room now has brand new equipment, including new racks, dumbbells, weight plates, bikes, and more. School logos, quotes, and a yellow stripe were painted on the walls to motivate student athletes. But just 2 days ago, the weight room looked like this. The equipment was old and mismatched. Some of it was even broken. That's where the Team 8 tour comes in, which is a community enhancement program partnership between the Cal Ripken Senior Foundation and United Healthcare. The organization identifies schools that need help elevating their athletic facilities. Volunteers come in and do all the work in 1 to 2 days. Many of them got started by assembling new equipment, while other volunteers worked to paint the walls of the weight room.
In public schools, small athletic programs where you're self-sufficient basically, and raising any type of money to have the stuff that we were so blessed to receive. So to go from 30-year-old stuff to top of the line racks and equipment is phenomenal.
In addition to the weight room renovation, the project included painting the hallway leading to the school's locker rooms and training rooms, which also received some touch-ups. The students and athletes couldn't believe the transition.
It's amazing because we just had the basic racks, just dumbbells, trap bars, S-bars. But now, not just that, we also have new other tools we can use that's also going to improve not just athletes, but people that want to become better or stronger or mentally stronger. So it's not just for football, but also for volleyball, baseball, soccer, lacrosse, track sometimes.
After the students got to see the room, Team 8 put them through a short workout to learn foundational exercises and try out the new equipment, like their new sled and the TRX bands.
I think that's going to give us an added dimension to being able to do some movements, again, that we didn't necessarily have access to before. Tank sled is pretty sweet.
Players and coaches believe that added dimension will translate to success on the field.
To outfit everything all at once and to be able to have access to a lot of those things is going to be really advantageous to us.
It's going to motivate us in all our sports to come out here, use it, and get better and keep our conditioning right. So when we get on the field, we know we're stronger and better and everything else.
I think it gives us a good foundation to make us all faster and stronger. And hopefully we'll incorporate the weight room to every day, use everything in here, make us all better, make us a state championship team in a couple years or maybe even this year. When
you're an athlete at Eastern Guilford and you're going through this weight room, I mean, you got something to be proud of. There's also expectation that comes with that. We can't let it go to waste either. There's so much opportunity in here with the equipment that's available to us now. It is just really a neat opportunity to help us grow. Thank you to the people that put time and effort into all of it. It's a great time to be a Wildcat right now.
This has been a GCS News Break.